Hello everyone and welcome back to channel. I'm Ram and in today's video we'll be diving into the basic of the Power BI, what it is and how it's work and why it is becoming essentially tools for the professional across the various of the industries. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytic tools developed by Microsoft. It's designed to help you visualize your data, uncover insight and make data-driven decisions. Let's break down. Power refers to the tool's ability to handle large data set and perform advanced calculation. BI or business intelligence refers to the practice of turning raw data into valuable, actionable insight and help business improve their performance. In sense, Power BI is a platform that helps you to transfer the data into interactive report and dashboard, making it easier to understand complex information and communicate it effectively within your organization. Key example of Power BI in action. Sales analysis. For the sales teams, Power BI provide the comprehensive view of the sales performance, whether tracking revenue, conversions or geographic trend. You can see which products are performing well and where is the room for the growth. Finance reporting. Power BI help finance professionals streamline and creation of the finance statements, cash flow reports and budget versus actual comparisons, enabling better financial decision making. Operational dashboard. In operations, Power BI allows team to monitor day-to-day metrics such as inventory levels, order fulfillments, and resource locations, helping business optimize their operations. Customer insight. Power BI enable marketing teams to track campaigns performance, customers engagement, and sentiment analysis. It is also provide insight into customer behavior and trend. Why learn Power BI? Now that we have already covered what Power BI is and let's discuss why it is crucial to learn it. First, data-driven decision making. In today's world, business generates vast amount of data. Power BI allows professionals to extract meaningful insight from this data and use it to make informed, data-driven decisions that drive growth and efficiency. Streamlined reporting and analysis. Power BI automates the process of collecting, transforming, and visualizing data. With its drag and drop interface and pre-built templates, you can create dynamic report without needing to write complex code or spend hours in a spreadsheet. Improve collaboration and communications. With Power BI, sharing data and insight is simple. You can publish report to the clouds, collaborate in the real times, and make the data accessible across the organizations, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Enhance problem solving. Learning Power BI teach you to how to approach problem with a data-first mindset. Whether it's identifying business trends, understanding customers' behaviors, or forecasting finance performance, Power BI empowers you to solve complex challenges through the data. Career advancement. Power BI is widely used across industries and learnings. It can open up in the variety of career opportunities. Whether you are new in the data analysis, business intelligence, marketing or finance, Power BI is a valuable skill that highly sought after by the employer. Power BI feature you should know about. First, data integrations. Power BI connect to the wide range of data source, whether it is Excel, SQL servers, cloud-based service like Google Analytics or even web data. You can easily combine the data from multiple sources into one report. Power Query. This is a powerful tool within Power BI that allow you to clean, transfer and prepare your data before visualizing. Power Query can handle tasks like removing duplicate, merging data and filtering data, all without requiring advanced technical skill. Interactive dashboard. With Power BI, you can create dashboards that allow users to drill down into the data, filter by different criteria, and explore the various of perspective. This interactivity enhances decision making and ensures that users can focus on what matters most. Advanced analytics. Power BI also offers forecasting and trend analysis features, which use historical data to predict the future outcome. This is incredibly useful for the sales forecasting, demand planning, and other predictive analytical tasks. Conclusion. Why Power BI is essential for the professional? Power BI is transforming the way professional and organization approach data. By providing easy-to-use tools, visualize, analyze the data, it empowers business to more efficient and data-driven. Learning Power BI is skill to handle data, create impactful report, and make strategical decisions based on the actionable insight. It's a tool that is slightly sought after by the company across all the industries, making it a great skill to have for more career growth. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comment below. Soon as possible, I will be start full course. Thanks for watching.